Welcome back to Do-It-Myself Garage. Out with the old. Running horribly. So apparently number 3 misfire. So I ordered new coils. Alright, this is my friend's 2005 Nissan Altima. I had the engine cover off since yesterday. I was looking at it. Got a bad coil here. It was on number 3. I moved it to number 2 and the misfire followed. So I ordered a new set of coils. $257 from the local parts store or $40 on Amazon. Ordered them yesterday on Saturday. They're here on Sunday. So yeah. As long as they're the right ones, we're going to go with it. I am going to pop this out. I priced the spark plugs. They're pretty inexpensive. We're going to try it with the old plugs first, see if that fixes it. If not, I'm not opposed to throwing new plugs in as well. But this should fix it. Coils, these coilover plug things are the number 1 things to go. And an entire set was only 40 bucks. So let's go ahead and get this swapped out for him. All right, so the one that was missing a little bit yesterday, it's 10 millimeter to remove those, by the way. 10 millimeter. All right, 10 millimeter up here. Take these 4 out. The plug that was missing, I took out and I cleaned really well yesterday, so that hopefully it won't cause problems. Once you replace the coil, it's going to misfire. You definitely want to have clean plugs. You might want to loosen up this harness here. Ow! Oh, I just stabbed myself. Son of a gun. Anyway, you might want to take the harness loose here. Makes it a little easier getting these out. There we go. Push down, pry out, push down, pry out, push down, pry out. And then, son of a gun, I hooked myself good. Look at that with the screwdriver. Don't do that. If you can get this thing loose, it makes it a little easier. There we go. Son of a gun, I'm going to do it again. Probably better to use the pliers on this, but anyway, this one was already loose yesterday. There. Anyhow, it gives you just a little bit more room if you can loosen those up. Coilover plug should come out. Just unplug them, pull them out. But it was when I ran the diagnostic, it said number 3. So we're just going to replace all these. I wrote bad on the one that's bad. I'll keep the other ones as spares in case he has a problem in the future. Let me go grab the box of new ones, make sure that they're going to work. All right, sure look like the right coils to me. Okay. Now, to be honest, it did seem like it ran worse yesterday after I moved the coil. So it's possible that there's something wrong with this wiring harness right here. But in the meantime, coils is usually the number 1 cause of these things not running. And for 40 bucks, it's sure not going to hurt to replace them all. One less thing to trace down. we go. There we go. I'll have to open the garage door a little bit here to fire this up because I don't want to smoke myself out. But we're going to fire it up here in just a minute. Oh, come on, get on there. There we go. Okay, 4 bolts back in. There. All back together. Connection's all good. Let's fire it up. I'm going to open that garage door just a little bit. And I might as well open it all the way. It's not that cold outside. Let's go ahead and fire it up, see if she runs better. That is not missing at all. He is going to be so happy. There we go. $40. Well, not even 40 with tax. He's going to be so happy. It was literally, engine was going into like safe mode. He couldn't even drive. Poor guy. So he's going to be super happy. He thought he broke something again. This is the car that had the this is the car that he ran with no oil. If you've been following along at all, he ran this car with no oil. So he thought once again he had broke it. And oh, thank God that went all the way to the floor. Okay. And no, she's good to go. And put these engine cover back on. Boom. And the one I dropped on the floor. Where'd it go? Where'd you go, buddy? I heard you hit the floor. Buddy's hit the floor. There we go. Ah. Boom. Done. Don't be afraid to buy parts off Amazon. $40 here the next day. Car runs perfect. There we go. Thanks for following along.